Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good afternoon to Dr. Imran. I'm Fakira Nurdayana from CS1105A. Okay, my matrix number is 2022935107. And then my industry supervisor is Nur Shohada Rusti. I will now start my presentation about the practical training that I received at HPCS Senior Berhad. Okay, first I'll introduce the company background. The official name for HPCS is High Performance Computing Solution, HPCS Berhad. And the director or CEO, we call him Chief Boss, TS Shaharizal Uthman. And the address is, okay, HPCS is a small company located in Shah Alam near City Mall. Okay, next I have the organization vision and mission. So this is the organizational structure. Since it's a small company, so the total staff is only 17. Next, I have the list of what services HPCS provide or offer to people. Okay, first, I have first the organization have web and mobile development, system integration, training, and also consultation. So this is the organization pictures. That is the signboard, and and those pictures are the interior of HPCS. Okay, now I'll move on to all the activities and tasks that I have completed during the practical training at HPCS. Okay, first I was first I was being a software tester. Okay, based on what I understand, being a software tester is is how to say is to really make sure and check all the products or systems are error free and bug free before it is being used or accessible to the end users. So the first system that I was being a software tester is talent management system. Okay, based on what I learned so far, talent management system or TMS is a custom made system for BPP Bahagian Pengurusan Pelajaran at Majlis Amanah Rakyat MARA uh, to manage all the applications that were sent by students under their sponsorship. This means that the students are able to make various applications such as naik taraf, sambungan pindaan, tukar kursus, bantu penuh, and many more. And the other roles, which is the staffs, they have 7 roles by the way. They will manage all the applications, and also they get to decide whether to approve or reject the applications. Okay, what I do or involve in TMS are, okay, first being a software tester, I test for bugs, errors, or any problems and document those in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet for development team to review and fix those bugs. And also, the second one, me and the other several interns as well, we struggled a lot to complete the UAT scripts. Since one document UAT boleh sampai 300 lebih pages macam tu, and we need to do the UAT scripts for total 8 rows including staff and student. And yeah, I think it's a lot for us, for me and the other interns. And then the last one, we haven't done this yet. We haven't done the user manual yet. I think we means me and the other interns will start to prepare the user manuals for all 8 roles in next month. We need to prepare the user manuals to provide guide or instructions for the end users. We need to prepare the user manual to yes, we need to prepare the user manual as soon as possible. Okay, so this is the Excel spreadsheet that we use to record bugs And yes, we use that to record bugs. Okay, these are the few examples of user acceptance test scripts on Word, and then the last one is VPN or Internet Services Code. We need to connect to it first before we have the access to the system. Okay, next up, the second system that I was being software tested is Meet Pro. It is one of the products by HPCS. Okay, what I understand, Meet Pro is used to book and manage facilities such as courts, appointments, halls, and many more through online. In Meet Pro, I was given a task to create or setting up available appointments for users throughout month May, June, and July 2024. And yes, this is the spreadsheet that I use as a reference for link, administrators, username, and passwords. Okay. The third system is Masjid Promai. It has both web and mobile application. For web, Masjid Promai was developed for administrators to manage karya information, donations such as khairat, kematian, and infak, finances, announcements, and many more within mosque or prayer halls or surah lah. Then, meanwhile, for mobile app, Masjid Promai has offered tons of great features. I think it has a lot of great features, such as Al-Quran recitation resources, prayer times, Qiblat directions, daily du'as, and Islamic calendar. The mobile app for me is super, super convenient for Qari'ah because they can also register for events, make online donations such as Infa and Karat Kematian through the app. Anywhere, they can do it anywhere, anytime. So in Masjid Romai, I was given a task to manage Qari'ah Kematian and invoices of Surah Nurul Iman. I update and record funeral donations and Qari'ah information into the system. So these are the examples of paper forms that Qari'ah fill up their details. Next up, okay, projects that I have built through self-learning, research, and enroll in online classes. In order to complete those projects, I have watched code. I have watched tutorials at YouTube and several other resources, and do the codes and do also the debugs. Okay. The first project that I have built is a gym management system. The system is really, really super simple. It focuses on to register, add, de- add, delete, to add, delete, edit membership details, gym details, and plan details, and many more. So these are the screenshots of user interface of the system. To build the system, I use Microsoft Visual Studio Code to code and Laragon as internet server and HDSQL as database and Mailtrap to let all the email verification send into that. Okay. The second project is Fun Math for Kids mobile application. This app was made for children below than 10 years old who wanted to learn uh, basic math basic math concepts such as counting numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The children can have both fun and learn with answering multiple answer quizzes and watch video tutorials in the app. To build the app, I use Tankable. It's a drag and drop coding blocks software that can build apps. Then last, I use Google Sheet as my database. Okay. Next up, I have designed some posters to promote HPCS products using Canva. Okay, so these are the posters for Hari Raya Aidilfitri, and these ones a few examples of birthday posters for HPCF staff. And yes, again, I designed all of those using Canva. Okay, another task that I was given is to create promotional videos for HPCS using Clipchamp, Microsoft Clipchamp, and CapCut. These video for HPCS, Masjid Bromai, and lastly Tadika Pro. Okay. I prefer to use Microsoft Clipchamp because it is much easier and has tons of great editing features for free. And yeah, it is user friendly also. Okay, and last but not least, volunteering. Okay, I think last Sunday, yes, last Sunday, me and the other staffs as well have volunteered to manage a attendee system for attendee at of annual grand meeting Koperasi Felda. We scan the code, we scan the barcodes, and also manage the attendee system. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you so much, Dr. Imran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.